Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making waffle fries. You will need russet potatoes, sea salt, and canola oil for frying. For this recipe, you will need a wave or waffle cut mandolin. If you do not have one, you can find it in my Amazon store. The link is in the description below. Using a cut-resistant glove, cut your potatoes, rotating a quarter turn between each slice. Place the potatoes in cold water and let stand for 15 minutes. In a large pot, heat your oil to 320 degrees. Thoroughly dry your potatoes, then fry them for 3 minutes in small batches. After 3 minutes, remove them from the oil and allow them to cool. Increase your oil temperature from 320 degrees to 375 degrees. Return the potatoes to the oil and allow them to cook for an additional 30 to 40 seconds or until they are golden brown. Remove them from the oil, then sprinkle them with your sea salt, and now they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab